Hello traders, the title of the video is Elliott Wave. A trader looks back to his previous Elliott Wave counts and smiles. Alright, I'm looking back to my previous Elliott Wave count. As I left it just the way it is, my drawing way here, when I was talking about aligning, okay, Elliott Wave count, blah blah blah. Talking about align technology. Do you remember that video? Aligning Elliott Wave, okay, strategy with blah blah blah. And when we were analyzing align technology, I can't remember exactly the title I gave to that video, but the point I'm making here, the wave count that I have done is still here. So recently, I also recorded another video. I want to just look quickly in my book here. I note everything down, guys. Be careful. I write everything down, okay? This to make you laugh a bit. And I'm looking back at my wave counts and I'm smiling. Why am I smiling? Am I in a good mood? Or is it because today I didn't drink a coffee at all? Is that why? Okay, there is a video. What is it? If it's going to take time, I will skip it now. Yeah, there's a video I will be posting probably this week, definitely this week. I'll post a video this week. Remember that. The title of that video will be Never Say Never, Elliott Wave Rules Trading Tips. So that video will be posted before the one I'm recording now. So if you are looking for that video, it's already posted. At the time when you are watching this video, the title of that video will be Never Say Never, Elliott Wave Rules Trading Tips. So I was talking about the second way. There is a belief or a tendency or to accept that we do not have the ABCDE correct way. In the second way, the second Elliott Wave, they say you cannot have a triangle, you cannot have ABCDE. All right? But in a video that I just mentioned to you, Never Say Never, Elliott Wave count, Elliott Wave rules, trading tips, I gave one example when the second wave was ABCDE. And I was telling traders that never say never because that is not an Elliott Wave violation, but something that defines the Elliott Wave theory. Now, in fact, the Elliott Wave theory didn't say never, but I think it said that very often the ABCDE correct way will occur in the fourth way. We do not see very often in the second way. So people try to say, sometimes some of the teachers will say, you never see triangle in the second way. And I say to them, what is this here? Now, this is the first reason why I'm smiling, because of the previous video that I recorded yesterday, Never Say Never, and I was pointing to trader the second way, that was ABCDE, and now here we are. The second reason why I'm smiling is because my previous week count is good. It's still valid, but with a little bit of change. That little bit of change, I did mention it before. When I say to trade, when we are in the third way, when we are in any impulse wave, that impulse wave can be extended. Do you remember? First, second, fifth, first, third, and fifth wave can be extended. A multi-wave can be extended. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the whole multi-wave can be extended. The fifth manner way is the one that usually extend. You'll see sometimes that's the one that creates the surprises. So you count your way, you do everything, all right? You identify the third wave. You think that this is the end of the fifth wave, and then the fifth wave continue to extend, okay? Giving you more data, asking you to review a little bit, just a little bit, your wave count. Those are the reasons why I'm smiling today, because it's something that is happening all the time. It's not a shock. It's just something that, Elliott Wave trader have to deal with. That's why I am smiling. The first, because of the ABCDE in the second way, and also my wave count is correct, but I need to adjust a few things here. So quickly, I want to go through my wave count again. So I was telling today that this is the first wave. Feel free to disagree. Then we say A, B, C, D, E. Second wave. Is that correct? Sometimes they may say no, it's not correct. The correction ended here. From here, that's where the training fair has started. And I will say, all right, that's your wave count. I'll stick to mine. I like mine more. I don't want to use yours. Okay, so then we say, all right, so we say the third wave is subdivided into 5 manner wave. So this is Aligned Technology Incorporated EPIC ALGN, Alpha Lima Golf November. So we will say first manner wave of the third wave, second manner wave of the third wave of a higher degree, third manner wave of the third wave of a higher degree, fourth manner wave of the third wave of a higher degree, forming a kind of a small triangle here. And then we were here. You see, and I put the fifth manner wave of the third wave of a higher degree. That fifth manner wave of the third wave of a higher degree is forcing me to smile a bit because I need to move it a little bit up more. Nothing else has changed, all right? Just a little bit of change that we need to see. And it can extend more. It can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But, okay, it can go up more. So, but it shouldn't be creating a mess because the third manner wave shouldn't be the shortest manner wave. So we will, what we can do at this stage, if we are correct, we can measure the magnitude of that third manner wave and say to that extended fifth wave that normally you should not, I'm choosing my word carefully, normally you should not go beyond that level. We will see. Now, but it can go above it, it can go above that level. Why? Because the most important thing is that the third wave is not the shortest, in this case, third manner wave is not the shortest, okay, impulse wave. So here you can see that the third manner wave is longer than the first manner wave. So we won't have any area wave violation, even if the fifth wave goes beyond, okay, that level there. All right. So that's all. I need to adjust and I leave it there. So what I'll do, I'll not put it on top. I'll leave it somewhere here like this. All right. So my third wave of a higher degree also somewhere up there. Maybe it will go a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forming the third wave of a higher degree subdivided into 5 manner wave. Second wave, if you agree, say A, B, C, D, E. Sometimes they may say, George, it's not A, B, C, D, E at all. The correction has ended here. That training fair has started here. All right. Okay. So why the prime breaks above, retest, okay. No big difference, So this is it very fast. So now you understand why I leave my line on the chart, okay. So you can see everything that I was doing before. So it's still here. Our stochastic 83 done a very good job. It's still highlighting an impulse wave. You see here, third wave. I stay overboard. Okay, pull back a bit, forming that a shallow fourth wave. This one you see. And now it's now in the fifth wave. If you go on the yearly chart, you will smile again. Look at that. See? That's the third wave. So those of you that will disagree with me that it's not A, B, C, D, E, I think on the yearly chart, you may give me a little bit credit for that. That it looks like it. A bit messy, but looks like it. But you may disagree. That's fine. All right? So this is just a short tutorial, putting a bit of smile in my face, looking at my previous webcam. Everything is looking beautiful and gorgeous. Now, as I explained to trader at this junction, draw your pitchfork tool, draw your trend line, use market geometry, map it out, use profit target to know where we are so you can make excellent decision instead of just, using the area wave alone, all right? So this will conclude our discussion today about area wave trader looks back to his prior area wave count and smiled. So this is something I recommend to traders. You count your wave, you can go back, look again and see if everything is correct, what has changed, all right? Is there anything you need to adjust, and take it from there one step at a time. If there is any change you need to do, don't hesitate to do it. And Keep working on it until you get paid. That's the most important thing. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial that can help other traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. You see, with the Elliott way, you can forecast the market, you can time the market correctly, and you can make excellent decisions. You can read the price, you can look inside the price, you can have an edge over ordinary technical traders. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and to start embracing the subject of Elliott wave theory and Elliott wave forecast. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSCW24 traders talking about Elliott wave trader looks back to his prior Elliott wave count and smile. Have I put a smile back to your face after a long day? If I did, then I'm a happy man too. Thank you for watching. Happy trading to you all.